Hello there again. Welcome to our kitchen here at the Carriage House in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. I am Chef Hoche. I'm a graduate of the Culinary Institute in Hyde Park, New York. And this is my wife, Ann, and she is going to join me again and be my sous chef. And so today for this show, we're going to be doing steak for two. We have some really nice ribeyes, and we're going to do broccoli and cauliflower Polonaise, and then we're going to do a Parmesan pan-fried red potatoes with Parmesan cheese and garlic.